Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So, have you ever wondered what you can do to actually get more money coming into your cleaning business? I know we all have. So I'm going to talk about only three things you can do. These are the only 3 things you can do to absolutely make that happen. Number 1 is to increase the sales of your current customers. Those are add-ons. Those are going to be your floors, your windows, your carpets. That's your add-ons to increase the sales to your customers that you already have, that exist with you, already have that relationship. Number 2 is a little harder. That's to increase the sales in your business. And what can you do instantly to do that? So let's say it's Saturday morning and you want to make that happen. Well, there are a lot of labor shortages in some of the hotels, Airbnbs. What you can do is get up bright and early on Saturday morning, pack your things up, and go out there and walk in. Like I did today. I actually walked into a little quaint Airbnb, and this is one of those locations where their labor may not have shown up, their day-to-day maid service. Let's say you're there and they don't have them. You could be the all in all right then on the spot. That could turn from a one-time project to a contract. So let's just take a look right here. There's just like a little cute little gym area, and you could clean that. They've got back here, they've got like a little laundry room, which will be a great little clean. They would love for you to do that. Then you've got the floors you could do. You've got all of that, and you've got the carpet, and they've got like a little bathroom right in here. So you could do that as well. So in other words, what I'm saying is this is a prime opportunity to come in, and there are a lot of places like that, especially as the weather starts to get warmer. People are going to vacation more, and the labor shortage really hasn't changed. So this is something you could do instantly to make money on a Saturday, or you could look at having them end up outsourcing the services to you once you are there for them. Now, they may want to only put you on as on call. We've done that before, where we are on call for landscaping services, but that is also something you could add as landscaping services, because a lot of those Airbnb, they may not have anyone to do the landscaping. So if you actually add that into your businesses, wow, I mean, it's amazing. And the third thing you can do is increase your prices. You can increase your prices. You can actually increase the sales, which we just talked about. And the first thing is you can increase your existing sales with your customers you already have. Those are 3 things you can do. That's the only 3 ways you're going to be able to keep money coming into your business. Well, if you'd like to learn more, then do what? You can make sure you sign up for my free masterclass, where I go into the 3 pillars from attraction to customer acquisition to customer retention. I'd love to see you at the free masterclass. So click the link, register, space is limited. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.